Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening the right menu. Make sure your iPhone 12 is unlocked and awake, then place a test call or cue audio so you can hear changes. Tap Settings, then choose Sounds and Haptics. This is where the call volume and ringer settings live. Once in Sounds and Haptics, you'll see ringer and alerts with a slider. Don't adjust yet. Make sure Change with Buttons toggle is visible so you can use the physical buttons shortly. Now you'll control how the buttons and slider behave. If you want the side buttons to change call volume, turn Change with Buttons on. If you prefer fixed button behavior, leave it off. Place or answer the call, then press the volume up button to increase call loudness. Short presses raise incrementally, hold to speed up. Back in Sounds and Haptics, move the ringer and alert slider to set system loudness. Make measured increments so you don't blast your ears. Finish by verifying the change and resolving common issues. Call someone or use speakerphone to confirm louder audio. Make small adjustments if needed. If volume seems stuck low, ensure Bluetooth isn't routing sound to another device and that Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't limiting alerts. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear glitches. If problems persist, reset all settings to restore audio defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.